Hi everybody, 860 Cologne here with another fragrance video. This time it's going to be an unboxing and review of Escentric Molecules, Escentric 04. Now this one came out in 2017 and the perfumer on this is of course Schön. And this one has the Javanol, but this is different from Molecule 04 because this one has more fragrance notes, including aromas of grapefruit, juniper, osmanthus, rose, mattock, and galbanum. This one, let's see, it gets 3.41 out of 5 from 56 votes on Fragrantica. And I can see why it's a little bit love or hate, because out of the bottle it can be a little bit sour, but it really is one of my favorite releases from 2017. Let's open it up. While I'm opening this, I should give a huge shout out to Josie at Oswald in New York. She hooked me up with this. I went to the store when I was in New York in August, and they didn't have any in stock. Oh no, she had one in stock, and I didn't want to put it on the plane with me, so I had her ship it to me. But UPS decided to smush the box beyond belief. And even though Josie had packed this thing incredibly well, there was so much bubble wrap, and I thought for sure when I saw the box, which was just basically an accordion, I think I have pictures here, that the bottle was going to be destroyed, but it had so much bubble wrap, I said, oh, it's going to be fine. But the box, as you can see, was also an accordion, so I didn't open up the actual box of the fragrance, so I called her, and sadly, UPS did not take any responsibility for this at all. So Josie was absolutely amazing, and as soon as she got another bottle in, she shipped it out to me and gave me a return label for the old one. So UPS, you people are a bunch of idiots. Josie, you are amazing. So here is the bottle. This is my first full bottle of Escentric Molecules. The box and the bottle both have the binary code, I think is what it is. On the bottom, you have your typical UPC code and everything. Interesting that there's no cap to these. I didn't know that, but it is well protected in the box with the closing cardboard. So, let's spray this puppy. All right. Now, it's definitely not a freshie. This is going to have some sour notes to it. And the Javanol, which is a synthetic of sandalwood, is mixed with that. I really love it. It's nothing typical, and it's not too much in your face either. So the opening can be off-putting, but if you can get past that, or if you like that, I think you're gonna love this fragrance. Now, when I bought this was going for $150 for 100 ml, which strangely enough, they have rounded off to 3.5 ounces. I've never seen that before. This is made in England. The alcohol volume is 79%, so there's 21% of fragrance oils or other ingredients. So, like I said, the opening, rather harsh, but once you get past that, it's this smooth grapefruit with a little bitter rind in there with the sandalwood. This is a really fantastic fragrance for me. There is a creamy quality to it as well, but that comes more in the dry down. Now with this fragrance, I'm going to show a new thing that I did at a recording studio a few months ago, because the performance on this one, it does not project quite powerfully. It's not a big projector, but the longevity is amazing. So for that reason, prepare your speakers if you're listening to this loudly or with headphones. I'm not sure how this will work, but the longevity on this one is beast mode! I hope you liked that. This would be a nice going out fragrance. Not sure if it's going to be for work because of the sour quality to it. Some people might be put off by it, but again, it's not going to be a huge projector. However, I do find myself getting whiffs of this hours and hours after I've put it on. You know, I'll think that the fragrance is gone, then I'll move somewhere and boom, it's right back there again. And I absolutely love this fragrance. Definitely in my top 5 releases of 2017. Age range for this one, I'm going to say college and up, probably 30 and up is probably the best way to put this one. The seasons you'd wear this, I think it could be all seasons. In the summer, it's not going to project too much, and it's going to give you a little bit of that citrus in there, so it's going to be a nice winter type fragrance, summer type fragrance. And then in the winter, I think it'll cut through very nicely and do everyone quite well. This is a unisex fragrance, and I could see women wearing this as well. It's not too manly. It is woody, it's spicy, but I think some women who like a little deeper fragrance could get away with this very easily. Now, this one is strange to me because if you've watched my videos before, you know I'm not a fan of juniper. And I think this is the actual juniper tree, not the juniper berry, so that's why I kind of like this one. But there is a nice lemon note. The rose is just a supporting character in this one, I think, but nothing really comes through too much with the rose. So there you have it. Let me know if you've tried this fragrance. I honestly really love this one. I got a nice 10 ml decant last summer and have been wearing it ever since, and actually waited till now, it's like late January or mid-January, just to open this one because I did want to open it on camera, and my decant is almost up, so I'm really glad I got a bottle of this. Josie, again, thank you so very much. It was a pleasure to meet you, and your customer service was outstanding. So let me know what you think of this one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Beast mode!